guys! So today marks my official last 7 days in the Philippines, and today we are going to pack. It's one of the things that's actually really challenging. Sobrang hirap piliin ng mga damit na dadalhin mo. Especially me, I like clothes so much, so sobrang nahirapan talaga ako. But finally, I get to the point wherein napili ko na kung ano yung mga dadalhin ko lang sa hindi. So, samahan niyo ko today and we are going to pack. Sira na naman yung kuko ko. Isa na lang natitira. So, unahin muna natin itong maleta. So, yung luggages ko, I'm allowed to bring 2 23 kilos and 1 7 kilo and 1 personal bag. Again, my airline is Japan Airlines. I talk about it from my previous vlogs. So, if you want some tips where to find cheap flights, you may want to check that video. And so, yung ginawa ko, yung isang bag ko is full of clothes, and the other luggage will be, doon ko nalagay yung mga other personal things ko like shoes, bags, mga personal items, and mga pampasalubong. So, initially, that's what I want, but syempre, mababago pa din yun kasi depende sa bigat. So, I might do some adjustments later on. But right now, I want to focus on what I really want to bring. And then from there, I will weigh it and then just do some adjustment. But yeah, for now, I just want this vlog to be relaxing because packing is not relaxing. But yeah, that's what I'm trying to achieve today. So, itong bag ko pala, I also discussed it with the previous vlog, kung anong brand niya and yung mga features na meron siya. So, again, please check that vlog because it might help you. So, syempre guys, unahin ko munang magtupi ng mga damit, and then later on, I will show you the type of clothes that I will bring. This is the fun part. So, medyo nakakalibang magtupi actually. Hindi ko na namalayan. So, I'm able to fold some of my clothes here. So, ilalagay na natin siya sa bag. So, nalagay ko na yung mga pants. So, ang ginawa ko, tinupi ko siya ng ganito para mas ma-maximize yung space. There's a lot of tutorials sa YouTube on how to fold clothes na for travel. You can also check those tutorials. So, nung una, nahirapan ako kung anong clothes yung dadalhin ko kasi nga, iniisip ko baka malamig doon, ganun. And then, baka mainit, ganyan. Pero, I realize, you can't really bring a lot of clothes talaga kahit anong pilit mo. So, ang ginawa ko na lang, inalam ko na lang kung ano yung weather doon sa state na pupuntahan ko. And kung ano yung weather, pagdating ko, yun yung mga clothes na dadalhin ko. Kasi you can buy clothes naman doon at a later time. For example, kapag lumamig na, ganyan. I know summer doon pagdating ko, or pa-summer pagdating ko, but still cold. So, of course, I brought pants. And then, I also brought mga tight leggings, ganyan. Actually, I'm not really into leggings unless it's for workout, but I think that's what people wear there most of the time. And also, habang wala ka pang work, kasi, you know, if you're K1, you cannot work right away. So, one of the things that you can do is to work out, ganyan. You can jog outside. So, yeah, you may want to bring workout outfits. And then, next, nagdala ko ng mga shorts. So, for shorts, I brought 3 colors. White, maong, and then khaki. So, yung mga madaling partner. You can also bring black shorts kasi you can pair it with anything. Pero, wala kasi akong black short. And by the way, what I'm doing right now, I put everything na dadalhin ko. Like, yung sure akong dadalhin ko na kahit magulo yung mundo, hindi ko siya iiwan. So, I put them first sa luggage, sa pinakadulo kasi nga. Para yung mga nasa ibabaw, yung mga nasa ibabaw na damit, yun yung mga clothes na pwede kong i-give up just in case overweight na. Dresses. So, for dresses, tinupi ko siya ng pagyanito. And the reason why is because pag nakaganito siya, mas madaling magdagdag bawas ng mga damit. So, more dresses. And then, I have more summer rompers. Tops. More tops. For my perfume, guys, I'm going to sandwich it in the middle of the clothes para hindi siya mabasag. I'll put it here in the middle. So, para secure siya. So, yan, we're gonna do that. And then, for clothes that has indefinite shapes like this, yung mga flowy na medyo mahirap nang itupi. Although you can still fold them, pero nahihirapan na kasi ako sa mga ganito. So, I'm just going to put them in a travel organizer like this. Maraming nabibiling ganito sa Shopee. And if you want links, guys, ng mga travel stuff, I've made a vlog about it, so you may wanna check it. It's mga travel essentials. So yeah, you can watch this vlog right here. And I put link on the description box on where I purchased them. So you can also check it. So ito yung mga lingerie, mga pantulog, ganyan. So you can put them here. So, ayan guys. Lahat ng mga madudulas dito ko nilagay. And then, I'm just gonna put them on the top. So, ayan guys. Nandito lang siya sa unahan. Ito, underwear and bra organizer. Meron din to sa Shopee. So, check nyo na lang. Alright guys. So far, ito yung itsura ng luggage ko. Pero, I know na magdadagdag bawas pa ako nito. Depende sa weight. So, yeah, for now, ito na lang muna. We will now proceed with the other luggage. Okay guys, so tapos na natin ayusin yung first bag natin. And before we proceed to the next bag, we're going to try to put this, hindi ko alam tawag dito. But yeah, we're going to try to seal it with this belt. So, ayan. I got this from Shopee also. I'll put the link down below. And, ayan. Ganito siya. Flower. And then, since my luggage is red and black, I tried to get a belt that has red and black on it. Kasi, inisip ko sana luggage cover na lang. Kaya lang, kasi yung red and black luggages, medyo common na kulay siya. So, baka mamaya may magkapalit ng luggages, ganyan. And, akala ko, very impossible siyang mangyari kasi, hello, hindi mo ba alam yung gamit mo? Unfortunately, it happens. May mga instances talaga na nagkakapalit ng bag. So, kailangan mo ng something to distinguish your luggage against other people's luggage. So, yun. Una naisip ko, luggage cover. Kaya lang kasi when I was looking for luggage cover, medyo mahal siya. Like, mga 500, ganun. May mga cheaper naman, kaya lang mga walang design siya. And, pag walang design, parang anong sense, diba? So, ayun, nag-decide ako na ito na lang belt. Kasi number one, it will at least distinguish your bag from other people's bag. And second, it's extra security na din. So, para hindi sumabog yung gamit mo, you know. So, yeah, we'll try to put the belt. Super cute ng design niya. And very nature. Because I love nature. Okay, so I realized, guys, I need 2 of this. Sobrang misleading talaga minsan sa Shopee. Alam ko kasi yung isang ganito, it can make a cross. So, ganito yung picture niya sa Shopee. So, sa Shopee, ganyan yung itsura niya, supposedly. Pa-cross. But, I realized I will need 2 of this para maging cross siya. Will I buy more? No, not anymore. I think I'll work with just 1. So, let's see. Nilusan ko siya dito para hindi siya nagulas. So, I'm trying to check if it's gonna work here sa black. Oh my god, it worked. It worked. Oh my gosh. So, I realized if ganito yung luggage nyo madulas, it may not work. Pero pag ganito na textured siya, I think it's gonna work. Hindi siya dudulas. I actually paired it with this red bag tag. Ayan. So, matchy-matchy siya. And same with the black one. Ayan, red. And then, kasi nasira yung nails ko and yung mga panggawa ko ng nails is nalagay ko na sa isang luggage. So, I don't think I'll be able to finish packing everything today. So, ayusin ko muna yung nails ko and hopefully by tomorrow, matapos ko na mapack yung kabilang luggage. And I will still have to buy pasalubong anyway. So, di ko talaga siya magagawa ngayon. So, see you guys tomorrow. And super thank you for packing with me today. So, let's continue it tomorrow. And medyo nagugutom na rin ako. And alam mo guys, another thing that I've been doing in the past few days was eating with junk foods that I grew up with. Kasi, I don't know, my fiancé said there's Asian shop, which I believe, yeah, there is. I'm not sure if you will find this junk foods, but the other day I was eating Tommy, and then the other day I was eating Snacko, and for today I'm going to eat potato fries. So, my favorite ko to when I was young. Ano siya, sweet and salty, and yeah, tomato ketchup flavor. Sobrang sarap niya. Tadaan! Masarap pa rin siya, hindi pa rin siya nagbabago. Yun ang pa rin lahat. Crunchiness, yung lasa. Still my favorite, I think, until today.